Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about SUVs of 2026, the Toyota LC400. Toyota took a bold step with this new Land Cruiser generation, blending legendary off-road capability with modern tech, efficiency, and everyday usability. From its rugged exterior to the latest hybrid powertrain and interior comfort, I'll break down everything you need to know before deciding whether this SUV lives up to its legendary name. Right off the bat, the LC400 looks unmistakably familiar yet strikingly modern. Toyota kept the boxy, upright SUV silhouette that Land Cruiser fans love, adding heritage-inspired design cues like bold grille elements, either classic round or sharp rectangular headlights depending on the trim, and robust body panels that promise durability, whether cruising city streets or tackling muddy trails. Under the hood is where Toyota's biggest change comes into play, the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This system marries a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor to produce 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, all routed through an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive system. This setup prioritizes torque delivery and efficiency over straight-line speed, giving the LC400 strong low-end grunt, perfect for off-road crawling and towing heavy loads up to around 6,000 pounds when properly equipped. On the road, acceleration isn't about sports car pace. The LC400 can reach 60 miles per hour in roughly 7.7 to 8 seconds, respectable for a truck-based SUV of this size and weight. While some might miss the old V8's a punch, the hybrid system delivers smooth, quiet cruising and better overall fuel economy than traditional gas-only engines in this class, with around 23 miles per gallon combined. Where the LC400 really shines is off-road. Toyota equipped it with a suite of terrain-ready technologies like multi-terrain select, crawl control, downhill assist control, and electronic locking differentials front and rear. Throw in options like a stabilizer disconnect mechanism for better wheel articulation, and you have a vehicle capable of tackling sand, dirt, mud, or deep snow with ease. This is Toyota honoring the Land Cruiser's brutal off-road legacy while adding modern control systems to take the guesswork out of extreme terrain driving. Inside, Toyota opted for a straightforward but functional cabin. Seating for 5 feels comfortable and supportive on long journeys, with heated and ventilated front seats available on higher trims and a 12.3-inch touchscreen at the heart of the infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the layout prioritizes durability and usability over flashy luxury, a choice that fits the LC400's adventure or ready personality. That said, the interior is not without its criticisms. Some owners and reviewers point out that materials feel less premium than expected at this price point, and cargo space is sacrificed somewhat by the hybrid battery's placement. Second row legroom can also feel tight for taller passengers compared to full-size competitors. This has sparked some mixed reactions from the community. People either love the rugged focus or wish Toyota leaned harder into luxury finishes. Tech and safety are solid but familiar. Standard driver assist features through Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. The infotainment system is responsive, and the optional JBL premium audio significantly enhances the cabin experience, though basic trims have a more utilitarian feel. So what's the verdict on the 2026 Toyota LC400? It's a vehicle with real capability, modern hybrid efficiency, and a timeless design, all wrapped up in the kind of ruggedness Land Cruiser fans expect. For adventurers, overlanders, and those who want a reliable SUV that goes anywhere without hesitation, this is one of the most compelling options on the market right now. However, if your priority is pure luxury or maximum interior space for family hauling, there are more refined choices out there. The hybrid powertrain is a smart step forward, but some feel the overall experience stops short of premium at this price. Still, Toyota's reliability record, off-road capabilities, and distinctive character make the LC400 a standout in its segment. That's it for today's full review of the 2026 Toyota LC400. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Luxury Reviews for more in-depth car breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, what would you take on your next adventure with the LC400? Thanks for watching.